How to clone a voice with F5-TTS. Now, before you will go directly to F5-TTS official site and upload your own voice, of course, you'll have to record any voice covers that you have. It should be at least a minute or two. So all you have to do again is just to use your built-in recording platform from your device, or you can also try to use OBS Studio. Now, for you to be able to have a random sentence, you can go ahead and use ChatGPT. And from here, just simply type in random sentences, and these are all the sentences that you can say on your live recording process. Now, once you have recorded your audio, you can now go ahead and head to f5tts.org's official site. Now, once you're here, just simply click on Try F5TTS. Now, once you're here, you can now then upload the audio that you had recorded using any of the built-in recording devices of your PC. Now, once you have generated or uploaded your audio recording, all you have to do is to generate any text you want to clone your voice. Now, once everything is set, then you'll have to click on synthesize, and then you will be generated with the clone voice that you have typed in on text to generate. So that's it. That's how you clone your voice in F5 TTS.